When a wrongful death occurs while the person is in the course of their employment, was at work, or in a company vehicle in the course of working, there are additional claims that arise. All of the normal claims for wrongful death exist. The wrongful death recovery, the survival action recovery, but there's also an additional claim that arises, and that is in Pennsylvania for workers' compensation benefits. Workers' compensation has a separate, very large statute that provides the recovery for a worker, whether it's caused by wrongful death or not, that's injured in the course of their employment. There are certain benefits that are payable, a certain amount of weekly benefits that are payable in a lump sum, who they're payable to. This is all directed by the Workers' Compensation Act. Oftentimes, what's paid by workers' compensation will give the workers' compensation carrier a right to seek reimbursement of what they paid from the person's recovery against the person ultimately who was responsible for the accident. So it's incumbent upon the lawyer, when making a claim against the party who caused the accident, to add all of those claims that workers' comp is seeking to be reimbursed for to the case, so there's no net loss in the recovery. Workers' compensation under those circumstances would be paying the medical expenses associated with the loss. They would be paying, as I said, a certain wage loss benefit by virtue of the loss, depending on who the surviving heir was. A wife typically will have more of a recovery than a child in the workers' comp standpoint. So there's an interplay between those two things. It's important that the lawyer be able to command both the law of the accident itself and the law of workers' compensation, which we're more than happy to do. If you believe you have a wrongful death case, give our office a call. We'll be happy to help.